Today I'm going to be introducing CLEO, the future of trading. Because are you tired of CFD-based prop firms manipulating prices? Meet CLEO, the next generation trading platform designed for transparency, real liquidity, and total control over your trades. Stay tuned to find out why CLEO is the ultimate platform for serious traders. Welcome to our channel. If you're passionate about crypto trading, prop firms, and finding the best platforms, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Today we're thrilled to introduce CLEO, a cutting-edge trading platform built to give traders a fair, transparent, and efficient trading experience. Whether you're looking to take part in one-step or two-step evaluation challenges, CLEO ensures that traders can earn 70 to 90% of the profits on funded accounts with real exchange liquidity, no manipulated at CFD prices. So let's dive into what makes CLEO stand out and why it's the best choice for traders worldwide. Unlike many prop firms that use CFDs, which allow them to manipulate pricing and create an unfair trading environment, CLEO does things a bit differently. So we're going to show you what sets it apart from the rest. So first off, you get real exchange liquidity. CLEO pulls live market data directly from Binance, ensuring accurate pricing and real-time depth. There's no restrictions. Traders in Bybit restricted countries can legally trade on CLEO without needing a VPN. Automated risk management. Built-in risk safeguards enhance your trading strategy, keeping you protected from unexpected losses. Absolute transparency. Every trader registers their own CLEO account, ensuring no hidden fees, no manipulations, and complete transparency on the platform. Non-CFD trading. Unlike traditional prop firms, CLEO is not a CFD platform, giving traders a more direct and fair trading experience. Why does this matter? Well, with CFD-based firms, your trading experience can be influenced, delayed, or even altered by the firm. With CLEO, what you see is what you get. No interference, just pure trading. Let's talk about some of the exclusive features of CLEO, because CLEO isn't just another trading platform. It's a feature-packed powerhouse designed to help traders maximize their potential. So here's what you get. First off, you get advanced backtesting tools. So you can use smart trading, position replay, and automated bot integration to fine-tune your strategy before risking real money. You have a free trial available. Test CLEO risk-free before committing. You have 350 plus tradable assets, so you can access a wide range of altcoins, just like on Binance perpetual futures. You have customizable leverage. Choose leverage up to 100x, depending on your strategy and also your risk tolerance. You have intuitive trading tools. You can set stop losses and take profits with automated calculations, saving you the time and the effort. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, CLEO is designed to give you an edge in today's competitive market. So here's some frequently asked questions. We'll start off with, what is CLEO? So CLEO is a transparent trading platform that provides real Binance liquidity to its traders. It offers seamless trading with accurate pricing and real market depth. What assets can I trade on CLEO? CLEO offers around about 350 assets, which include altcoins listed on Binance perpetual futures. What are the fees on CLEO? CLEO fees are modeled after real Binance fees. So for VIP users, the fees are 0.05% for market and limit orders. However, slippage may slightly affect the final fees. Does CLEO have a mobile app? Not yet, but it's in the roadmap. So for now, CLEO is only accessible via the desktop. Can I use CLEO for algo trading or third-party integrations? At the moment, CLEO does not support direct third-party integrations. However, traders can use CLEO's built-in trading tools for effective trade management. Why should I try CLEO? CLEO is efficient, transparent, and time-saving. With features like automated risk management and calculated trade quantities, trading is far easier and far faster. Does CLEO support leverage trading? Yes. CLEO allows leverage up to 100x with a default leverage of 10x. So how does CLEO compare to other trading platforms? Unlike CFD-based platforms, CLEO provides real exchange liquidity, fair execution, and absolute transparency. So now that you know what CLEO is all about, let's tell you how to get started on it. If you're ready to experience a real trading environment, all you have to do is follow these simple steps. Step 1, go create your account on CLEO, and then step 2, start with the free trial. You get to explore the platform without any risk and no commitment. Step 3, you need to enter an evaluation challenge, so go prove your skills in a one-step or two-step trading challenge. And step 4, go trade with confidence. Once you're funded, you can earn 70 to 90% of your profits while trading in a fair, transparent, and real liquidity environment. CLEO is literally changing the game for traders, so if you're tired of trading on unfair, manipulated platforms, it's time to switch to CLEO and experience real liquidity, transparency, and fairness today. So are you ready to start? Click the link in the description below and test CLEO for free. And if you have any questions, of course, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Happy trading.